The only thing is you're on the rib. Your personal self-dedication makes you rib.
So, see how the stats like I was doing? Look. He's like,
oh, yeah.
Dip!
That was good.
Dip!
That's a good vertical leap right there.
That was down. I mean, literally.
Dude, are you here to see them or Jonathan?
I'm here.
Ooh. He got the highest out of all of them. Yeah.
Jonathan right there?
That's Jonathan right there.
Keep hitting the pole though.
You got it. Come on.
And went up that high.
Wait, hey, Henry.
What's
Are
up?
they gonna do all the courses?
Yeah, each of them, they have to switch off.
I want to see him run.